Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Canva owner account. First, navigate to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your device. You will then see options to sign up using your email address, Google account, Facebook profile, or Apple ID. Select your preferred method and proceed to enter the necessary information, including setting a strong, unique password for your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking less than 1 minute to complete. Once your basic account is established, it is time to set up your brand kit. This essential feature allows you to maintain a consistent visual identity across all your designs. Navigate to the brand kit section, typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can upload your company logos, define your specific brand colors using hex codes, and add your custom fonts. This preparation saves you valuable time on future projects, ensuring brand cohesion with every creation. As the individual who initiates the Canva account, you automatically assume the owner role. This position grants you comprehensive control over all aspects of the account, including managing subscriptions, inviting new team members, and overseeing all brand assets. You can invite up to 500 team members, assigning them various roles such as administrators, template designers, or regular members, each with different levels of access and permissions. This structure ensures efficient collaboration and secure management of your design environment. Canva offers robust collaboration tools to enhance team productivity. You can create shared folders to organize your design projects, making them easily accessible to all relevant team members. Furthermore, the platform allows for direct commenting on designs, facilitating quick feedback and revision cycles. Explore advanced features such as content planning tools and comprehensive version history, which tracks every change made to a design. These features are designed to support seamless teamwork and efficient project completion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.